Happy birthday, Manong! We wish you all the best in life, Manong Idong, and we pray for your fast recovery and healing. God bless, and we'll see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Manong Idong.
Hi,
Happy
Nong.
birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, dear Manong Idong. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday Nong.
I wish you, Manong Idong, just remember, you are not alone in this journey. God's walk with you every step of the way. I know you have true faith and you believe in yourself that there is our Father, our God, our beloved Jesus Christ. I pray to that celebrating your life today. I'm praying for loved. Always remember, and we will pray for you. Yes, sir.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
No.
Happy birthday.
Nong, happy birthday Nong. Ka-remember lang ko sa mga time nga of course positive time sa atong life. Niabot pa tani nga age niya, niabot tani nga privilege, opportunity nga nakita ta diri sa New Zealand, share of ideas and thoughts about life. Salamat sa imong mga prayers, mga tambag. Daghang tambag nga imong giingon sa ako sa una nga wala kay na ako na absorb do ginagmay ra to kay di man kay puga talkative nga pagkatao, pero ako gyapon na realize nga sakto maski ginagmay lang pero sakto ang uban.
9 point.
Happy birthday Nong.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Hopefully makita pa ta diyan next magkita.
Yeah.
Next year.
Happy birthday, Manong Idong. Thank you sa mga memories. Thank you sa paglaag nimo din sa amo sa New Zealand. Maski nga grabe ka katugnaw, gakurog-kurog ka, pero niyan gyapon ka dinhi. And akong dili malimtan sa imo, Manong Idong, kay katong birthday nimo ba nga wala si Manang niyang tuminimanding sa lumbia niya. Gidalaan ka namog kuan food kay birthday nimo niya, happy kay kanya ningon din ka nga hala ka wala ra ba ko mapakaon sa inyo kay wagin ko ka ready ingon din ka nga sige coke na lang akong paliton sumoto nagpalit ni kag coke di ko makalimot adto kay happy gid kay ka nga nangabot mi sa imong birthday nadumduman gid ako to karon nga birthday na pud nimo. So happy birthday and I love you and I miss you. Mayunta magkita pa tapuhon. Makauli mi next year.
Happy birthday Manong Idong. Ang digid na ko malimtan sa imo is you're always like the perfect father figure para sa ako nga nagdako nga wala kay perfect nga father, pero sa imo ako yung makita ang amahan nga prayerful kayo kanang galid gid sa family, and thank you kayo sa imong pagbisita diri sa New Zealand nga maski hinambog ko nga mga isda wa kita kakuha mura unta to nga time niya sige ta plano mo fishing wa kita ka fishing
Lagi.
pero ang dili gid ako nga malimtan sa imo is every time mag-uban ta natay tipok-tipok is nagi topic nga kita ra duha magkasinabot, kita ra duha makasabot ang mentor di ba? So kabalo ko gapananaw ka karon while naka sa balay or gapahulay. Thank you Manong Idong sa hopefully magkita ta next year pag uli na mo.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Papa Lo!
We miss you.
We miss you. We love you. We love you. Papa Lo, I hope you have a good birthday in the Philippines. And I hope you're feeling well. We're praying for you. We love you. We miss you. And we care for you.
What you say?
We love you, Papa Lou, and then we care for you, and then sometimes we pray for you, Papa Lou, and that's all.
Pa, may gabi pa. Happy birthday. Maayo pa na ma-okay na unta ka pa sa imong health, especially sa imong sitwasyon. Hopefully, we continue to pray for a miracle, for ma-restore ta nimong health so that you could also visit us again here in New Zealand, especially for the upcoming Apu pa. And hope you will have a good time sa imong birthday. That's all.
Papa, happy 70th birthday pa. I love you. Hope mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday. Maski na kayo pamati. We are always praying for you. And hopefully, magkita patapuhon pa. So enjoy your birthday. Thank you so much for everything, Papa. I love you. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Papa! Love you.
I love you.
We love you. Happy birthday.
1, 2, wala pa ganito.
Tarong po. Tarong ba? Listen ba? Butan ka sa kanya. Tarong ba?
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Papa! Sige, ate. Happy birthday. Greet na, Papa Lu.
Happy birthday, Papa Lu, and I miss you, and I hope you have a safe time with your birthday and a safe journey, and I hope you have a great birthday, and I want to share a memory that I will never forget. I remember that you take care of me and you play hide and seek with me and you take care of me and I sleep with you, and I remember that in the mornings when you push the bed, I always slide in the bed. Love you, Papa Lu, and I hope you have a safe day with Mama and your other friends, and I hope you have a safe day every day, and I miss you, and I will never forget you. Happy birthday.
Pung, your turn na, Pung. Come here na. Greet na, Papa Lu. Come here. Psst. Pung, Pung. Greet na, Papa Lu, Pung.
Pong,
Come here na.
saka sa bed.
Come here na, greet Papa Lu.
Happy birthday.
Papa Lu.
Sige.
Birthday.
Tanaw din sa camera. Love you. Love you, flying kiss, Papa Lu. Love you, kiss, Papa Lu. Love you, Papa Lu. Pa, happy birthday. Hope okay ra kasi mong birthday. Thank you for everything, pa. I'm so proud to be your daughter. So proud to call you my papa. Thank you for being the best papa ever. And thank you sa pag-help nimo dinhi sa amo sa New Zealand, sa pag-move sa balay, sa pag-take care sa kids. Salamat kaayo pa. May unta, God willing, magkita tapuhon diya sa Philippines or din sa New Zealand. Mag-enjoy ta kasi mong birthday. I love you so much, pa. Thank you for everything.
Happy birthday pa. Enjoy sa mong birthday. Thank you sa mga life lessons na magtulong sa mua, sa paglabi na pag-ayos sa motor dito sa farm sa una, pag-pulis ligid, pag tabang sa amo sa pag
taod
fix
sa fence din sa
And-
balay, paghakot sa mga gamit sa farm.
and painting our fence and fixing everything that's broken.
Sa pag-atiman sa mga bata, salamat kay pa o ginaot nga maayo kita ka sa cancer. We're always praying for you and minaot nga hatagan pa kag maayong panlawas o makabalik din ni bisita din sa New Zealand kamo ni mama or kami baka diha puhon kaluyan sa Ginoo o enjoy sa imong birthday pa and happy birthday po Ate Ann.
Happy birthday, Ate! We love you!
Come here, birthday, Tita Hoop.
Happy birthday, Papa Lo. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Uncle Eddie. Celebrate your special day with joy and always hope for the best. With God's grace, Uncle, everything is possible. Cheers for more years to celebrate life. Wish you all the best in life, Uncle. Enjoy your day with your grandchildren, with your children, Grace, hope and joy with Tito Senan and all the people who love you. Happy, happy birthday.
Hello, Uncle Eddie. How are you? Wishing you the best for your birthday and more years to come. And I'll see you again someday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
May you get more blessings and get better soon.
Wishing you God's healing touch, a renewed strength, and heart filled with hope.
Stay strong and be happy every day.
May you have more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!